Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so setup is quick. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in and that the iPhone is running a supported iOS version. Once done, enable Wi-Fi or cellular. Siri uses the network for most requests. Now open Settings, tap Siri and search, and we start the first toggles. Enable Listen for Hey Siri and press Side button for Siri. These first steps let the device accept voice and button activation, which is essential before we train voice recognition. Next, configure voice recognition and permissions so Siri responds reliably. Tap Listen for Hey Siri and follow the short voice training prompts. This improves accuracy in noisy places. Then choose language and the voice you prefer. Make sure it matches your dialect to reduce errors. Grant microphone, location, contacts, and notifications access so Siri can perform calls, navigation, and reminders. If an app is missing, return to Settings, right arrow Privacy, and toggle the necessary permissions. This ensures full functionality across apps. Finally, validate and personalize Siri with real tests and automation. Ask Siri to call a contact, send a message, set a 2-minute timer, and give directions. This verifies core features. Next, customize shortcuts and HomeKit phrases to save time. Make sure phrases are distinct. If Siri fails, restart the device, toggle Siri off and on, and check the microphone and network. If problems persist, retrain Hey Siri. Often voice retraining clears recognition issues and restores normal responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.